Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So recently Evolution kindly sent me out some power tools to use in future project videos, including this cordless vacuum cleaner. So in this video I'll be unboxing, testing and reviewing this tool. So here we have the Evolution 18 volt cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner. It says on the box that it has a capacity of 11 litres for dry, 5.5 litres for wet, 21.2 litres, I think that's per second airflow, and it has a blow function as well. It uses their battery range 18 volts and it has the 2-year guarantee. Okay, so let's take a look what you get in the box. There's the unit itself. Then there is the manual. And mine has a battery, which is a 4 amp hour battery, and also a charger. So firstly, let's take a quick look at the charger. Rapid charge feature on this charger: EXT 18 volt lithium ion, 2 amp hour batteries, 30 minutes for charging, 4 amp hour is 50 minutes, 5 amp hour is 60 minutes, and 8 amp hour is 95 minutes. And this has a single dock. And here is the 4 amp hour battery that came included with mine. Just needs a quick charging up to get it to full charge. And here is the vacuum unit. So it has a few attachments on it. It's got that one. There's a brush here. There's one here as well. I'm assuming that's probably for wet stuff. The on and off switch is located here. Nice quality feel to the on and off switch. Battery goes in here, and then we can open up the box with these 2 clips on the side. There's the filter for when you're using it to suck up sawdust and dry stuff, and I'm guessing that you remove this when you want to do vacuuming wet stuff. I don't do much of that. Here is the hose. Nice quality feeling hose, nice and rubbery and bendy, it's not rigid. That's good. And then there's another filter here, and I'm guessing that's the wet filter. That is about it. There's the plastic box, decent sized box. The top has a rubber seal around here, so that when you clamp it down, gives a nice snug fit and no bits will come out. So for the suck and the blow functions, this side has an arrow pointing out of the machine, so that would be for blow, and on this side the arrow is pointing inwards, which would mean suck. Now I'm going to connect the pipe up to the vacuum, and it just clicks into place. So the battery just slots in the top here and you're good to go. Now I'm just going to demonstrate the volume when I turn the machine on. Not very loud in my opinion. As you can see, the pipe has a decent amount of stretch to it. So I started off by hooking it up to my Evolution cordless sliding mitre saw, and I decided to do a number of cuts with this in various different woods. If you'd like to see a review video on this mitre saw, I'll leave a link to that review video down in the description box of this video. And then I could use the vacuum to clear up all of the bits left around the saw, and it did an excellent job of that. If you would like to know more about Evolution Power Tools or are interested in buying their products, you can go to the Evolution Power Tools website, which is on screen now, and you can take advantage of my promo code PWProjects for a 5% discount at checkout on any Evolution Power Tools. As an affiliate of Evolution Power Tools, I make a small commission on each sale when my code is used. This is at no extra cost to you, and it helps to support this channel. All links and relevant info can be found in the description of this video. Thank you, and now let's get back to the video. I also used the vacuum to tidy up some areas in my workshop. And to tidy up sawdust from various tools. The crevice tool was useful for getting into awkward spots. And it was useful for cleaning out this old toolbox too. Now moving on to the blow function, you can just switch the pipe over to the other side that has the arrow pointing outwards. I used the blow function to blow away dust from various tools, and I was quite surprised just how powerful the blow function is. Here I'm just using it to blow sawdust from this rack that I've made for my drill bits, and again some other tools. You could even use it as a mini leaf blower. So now moving on to emptying the vac and cleaning the filter. The top comes off easily. Here is what I collected. And you can see there's plenty of space in that bin for more sawdust. The filter has a retaining clip that turns off, and then you can pull the filter off, and it's quite easy to clean. I used a leaf blower, a combination of leaf blower and a paintbrush. These are reusable, so this will go straight back into the vacuum the next time I want to suck up some sawdust. Moving on to the liquid function, you can see there's a ball in there, and when that gets to the top, the machine knows that it's full. So before you suck up liquid, you can add this filter. I've got a few litres of water in this tray here to just show you how well it sucks up liquid, and it has no problem at all sucking up this liquid. Okay, so that is about it for this review video. So my first impressions of this tool, very good. I really like using this cordless vacuum. It's lightweight. All the tools are stored on the vacuum itself, so you can't lose anything, and the battery life is decent in my opinion. I've been using it every time I've been coming in the workshop. Every time there's a bit of sawdust that needs cleaning up, I've been sucking it straight up, and I was pretty impressed not only with the suction on this machine, but also the capacity that it has, and also the blow function. It's quite powerful, more powerful than I expected. It's great for cleaning dust off tools. Before I was just using an old paintbrush, but it's great to blast dust off of tools. And I was also really impressed with the suction on the liquid as well. It sucks up liquid really quickly and easily. It's great for that too if you've got a spill that you want to clean up. So would I recommend this vacuum? Yes, I would. I'll be using this regularly from now on. I really like this tool. As I mentioned earlier, if you'd like to take advantage of my promo code to get 5% off this tool or any other Evolution tool, you can find the details for that down below in the description box. So if you found this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.